Hi guys, welcome back to my channel today. Today I'm gonna be sharing my thoughts on what I expect on JPY pace. At the same time, I'm gonna be reviewing some trades, some analysis I did some time ago. I did an analysis on gold, and this was my setup on gold. I expected gold to buy from this level, this breaker block. So I'm expecting gold to get to this level, probably take out this high, right? Then maybe we could now make some decisions from here. So today I'm going to be analyzing CAD JPY. I have an analysis on CAD JPY. So starting from the higher time frame, it will be more like a top-down analysis, right? Starting from the higher time frame, I'm going to be marking out the levels I expect this market to actually like bounce off from, and where I expect the market to go up, to go to, right? From here, I can clearly see some areas in the past that market actually rejected from, right? Down here, I can see areas. I could change this to line chart so I can get the markings correctly. Okay. See, market used this place as a support in the past, support, then support also here. You see as a resistance, then use it as a support. So probably I'm going to be looking out for setups around that level. Now, from my very own charts, I'm going to be switching to 4 hour time frame. Switching to 4 hour time frame, I'll be looking out for structures right around this level. And we can see there is what a liquidity sweep around here. And when there's a liquidity sweep off a key level and a break of structure in the opposite direction, what I'll be looking out for, where is the immediate pullback, which is my liquidity. And this is the immediate pullback, which is my liquidity. So I'm going to be taking my Fibonacci from this level to this high, from this swing low to the swing high. And my entry will be off from where? From the 0.5 mark, 0.5 mark level down. Now, below the 0.5 mark level, there is an order block here. And I'm going to be highlighting that order block for an entry, right? And you know the implication of an implication for a sweep of a previous low is for what? The low to be protected. The market doesn't need to go below this low. So I'm going to be taking my entry from this level. My entry will be off the order block. Then my stop loss around this region. Then my TP. Going to be targets the high. So I expect this to happen tomorrow. Or maybe next week we are entering. The week we are entering, then probably go to the upside. So that is my thoughts, my perspective over this very pair. I don't want to go down because yeah, that is the best order block I can actually or I can possibly choose. I expect the market to trigger here, then start buying. So I'm actually bullish. And if you can see, the current market structure is bullish, creating a higher low and higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. Now, market is coming back to create a higher low, and it's off from what a key level. And there's what another block, it sweep down there. So I'm expecting a bullish move on CAD JPY coming next week, Monday, coming this week rather. And for this, for the gold, I'm expecting at least a buy to this very level. They possibly will now maybe look out if there will be a sell or market will actually clear all this liquidity around there. Then for Bitcoin, yeah, Bitcoin is already bullish. Already bullish. If I'm to clear this off, you see that You observe that from here, there's a key level right here, right? Down here, there was one. Now, remember, where the price actually bounced off from a key level. And within that key level, right, there was a change of character around here. First, before a change of character, there need to be a liquidity sweep for the low to be protected, right? Now, there's a what? A change of character right here. And where was the first pullback? This. So I'm going to be highlighting here to be my liquidity. Our market has mitigated that other block, right? The extreme other block. The extreme POI. Now, our overall targets will be what? Our overall target will definitely be here. So I'm going to be looking out for what? Longs position. I'm going to be looking out for longs position. Now, you can see that there's a what? A change of character around here. And after a change of character, we expect the market to create a pullback, then buy to some certain region, then come back and take out that first pullback, probably. So I'm expecting some stuff like this to happen here. But the market can decide just to continue buying from here, right? Market can just decide to continue buying from here. But if this happens, if I see a pullback, to this level and the market starts selling, I'll take this to be my liquidity region. And I'll be using this point as a breaker block. I think this should be a breaker block. Let me use the 1 hour time frame. Can't see the breaker block properly. Good. The 15 minutes time frame. Can see the breaker block right there. So I'll probably be looking out for market to return back to this level, right? Then kickstart our buy to the upside. And that could be around here. And where will my stop loss be? I'm gonna be placing my stop loss just below this low, right? Yes. Then I'll be targeting this high. Yes. So as the market might happen, whatsoever the market will do, if I'm taking my fib to here, right? I expect the market to come back and take out this low, then trade below this low and find a POI, right? Which is an breaker block just afterward. The break of structure and a liquidity. The market has already mitigated this other block, breakout block. So here won't be valid because market have used it already to form this PO and the liquidity. So I expect the market to buy to some certain level, then come back and take out there. Then you now try to buy to the upside. So that is basically my thoughts I have on this pair. Market might decide to fail here, but if the market gets down here, we're gonna be using this last low what to buy. So I'm pretty bullish on Bitcoin USD and I'm bullish on gold and also bullish on CAD JPY. So those are the basic analysis I have for you this week. Stay tuned to the channel and make sure you drop like to the video, subscription. Then on the channel you can actually tell me maybe things you want me to talk about and I'll possibly respond to you. Thank you guys for watching. Have an amazing time. Happy trading week.